Hey guys, I decided to finally make a video of my 2025 Fanimation ceiling fan catalog, which I got from the Fanimation Museum this year. And you probably have seen the video I made as well this year. But anyways, let's begin. Now, I noticed that this catalog is a lot smaller than my 2022 Fanimation catalog. That's because they have like less pages in this. Not every Fanimation model that is made is included in the catalog, so stuff like the Windpoint, Edgewood, and Levant are not in the catalog for some reason, and some other ones as well. So there's that, and there's some new ones as well. And they no longer make the AC Islander anymore, but that's okay. The DC one looks pretty good too. So yeah, there's that. There's the Paget. I really like this one a lot. There's that. Here's the Barlow. Here's the Islander DC. On the 2022 catalog, the Islander was all the way at the back of the catalog, but over here it's near the front. It's the third page. But yeah, I like that you can still get the brass one as well. I mean, it's not antique brass, it's modern brass, but still, that's pretty cool. I like that they kept the same blade brackets as the AC one, too. Definitely my favorite Fanimation model, but very expensive. Especially for a fan that only blows 5,000 CFM on high speed. Here's the Starboard NL. And this one has a 188x25 motor, as you can see here. Yeah, this is a pretty nice one as well. Definitely like that blade design too. I think it probably has like, I mean, as far as I know, I think this is like the exact same CFM rating on my Hunter original. Although I think my Hunter original's CFM rating is just a little bit higher, but it's definitely 6,700 CFM. And here's the other Starboard, but with the light kit on it. So there's that. Here's the Aviara. I think that's how that's pronounced. So there's that. And you can see you can have them with or without the light kit on it. Oh, and this one's got a very high CFM rating. 8,000 CFM. That's definitely really good. I was actually considering wanting to get a Fanimation ceiling fan for the living room. Especially because I want to have another ceiling fan upstairs in the house. So here's the Lindsay. I definitely like this design as well. Especially this one right here. Here's the Torchaire, 52 inches. And here's the 64-inch Torchaire. So there's that. Here's the Kute, or Kute. I think it makes more sense if it was pronounced cute. It's just spelled differently. I definitely like this one a lot. I know Kolsamonko has a video of this. And look at that, different light kit options for this. I definitely like this one right here. Well, actually I like both of these, but I think I like this one here more. And here's the 44-inch Kute. Oh, so actually these don't come with light kits. I don't think. I'll have to read this more. Right now I'm just trying to go through this fast because even though it's a short catalog, it's still pretty long actually. So there's that. Here's the 52-inch Kute. This has got many different finish options, which I like about that. The 60-inch Kute. And the 5-blade Kute, which I don't like as much. Also known as the Kute 5. So there's that. There's the Spitfire. This is one of my favorite ones in the catalog. And I know that Lowe's used to sell similar model, but just without a light kit on there. Not so sure. I'm not so sure if they still sell it though. I'll have to check my 2025 Lowe's ceiling fan video again. So there's that. The 48-inch Spitfire. I think probably my favorite one is the galvanized one. So there's that. Just a 60-inch Spitfire. Oh, gotta check the CFM rating on that one. Oh yeah, even the 40-inch one has a 188x25 motor. Surprisingly, the CFM rating on the 60-inch one isn't that much more than the 48-inch one. Not so sure why that is. So there's that. And there's the Spitfire DC Custom. This is 64 inches. Had to kind of re-grab my phone because I've been holding it with only my right hand because I have to use my left hand to keep the book open. And there's the Spitfire 72-inch version, also with a DC motor. Yeah, very good CFM rating on this one. And last one, I think... Oh yeah, last one's really good too. 64-inch one still has a very good CFM rating as well. So yeah, this blows more air than a Hampton Bay Industrial. I don't really know too many ceiling fans that have a 10,000 CFM rating. So there's that. And the 84-inch Spitfire DC with an almost 13,000 CFM rating. So there's that. And the 96-inch Spitfire, which for some reason actually has a lower CFM rating than the 84-inch one. Not so sure why that is. So there's that. And the wrap. This is another one I do like as well. The 44-inch one. The 52-inch one. It's the 60-inch one here. Oh. 72-inch one. Another one that has a 10,000 CFM rating. Although this one's closer to 11,000 CFM. Got the Tri-Aire. Oh, so these are all the same fan, just with different blades on them, looks like, and also a different light kit. So yeah, that one's pretty cool. I don't think I actually looked at this page yet. So there's the Tri-Aire. Yeah, I think I like this one as well, especially with those palm blades. 40-inch one. Oh yeah, they got 44 inches and 48-inch ones. Here's the 52-inch version. There's the palm blades again. 56-inch version. 60-inch version. 64-inch version. Oh, this one's got a lot of different sizes. 72-inch version, and let me guess, next to the 84-inch version. Yep, I was right. 84-inch one as well. Okay, well, after this, it's just all wall controls here. So yeah, there's that, basically. And some blade finishes too. But that's it. That's my 2025 Fanimation ceiling fan catalog. Overall, they should have put more in this one, although that would have made the video take longer, but that's okay. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, and bye.